Hi guys, today we will learn how we can create text view in Jetpack Compose. So let's start. Let me first create a function where we can create a text view. Uh, Let me create a function. Let me create a composable function. Composable function my text view. Okay, and inside my text view we have a we have a text composable where we have a parameter text, so we can assign our text inside this text parameter. So let's assign this is simple text. This is simple text, so that's it. This is the text composable. Using text composable we can create a text view in Jetpack Compose. Okay, so let's run the application and see how it's look like. But before that, let me call this method from here. Let me call this method from here and let me run this application. Let's see. So here the application is running, and as you can see the text, this is simple text, it is coming at the very top. Okay, so now we have to give some padding from the top. Okay, so for padding we have modifier parameters, modifier dot padding from top equals to, let me give 20 dp. Okay, and now I have to run the application again to show the padding from the top. So I want to avoid running application and again. So what we can do, I can create a preview function here, so that every time I there is no need to run the application again and again. So how we can create a preview function? We have a preview annotation, and preview function is also a composable function, and I can give the name of this preview like my text view preview. Okay, and call the my text view from this preview, so it will show us the preview. Okay, and so system UI I will make true so that it will show properly. Okay, now let's see how it is showing. So here, as we can see, my text view preview is showing, but it's still rendering. So wait, yes, as we can see here, this is simple text, it is showing here. So now let's use some more parameters of this text composable. We can see here we have lots of parameters of this text composable. So let me use some important parameter. For now, let me increase the font size. We have a font size, we can make it 30.sp, so you can see it is increased. Now we can give some color.red. Okay, so color is red now. Now let me use this font weight. We can make this color little bold. Font weight dot bold. Okay, so this text is bold now. Now we have other important parameter, which is letter spacing. Letter spacing, close to letter spacing. Okay, sorry, we have letter spacing. We can directly give the value 1.5.sp. So you can see uh, here the space between letters is increased. Have you seen this? Okay, and now we have other parameters, which is text decoration. Text decoration dot underline. We can give underline. We can make it underline. Okay. We have other important parameter which is text align. Text align equals to text align dot center. Okay, this is not working. So why it is not working? We can give it a background so that we can see how much space this text is taking. Let me give it a background color. Color dot yellow. Okay, so its width is wrapped, so it is not going in center. So what we can do here? Let me make it fill max. Fill max size modifier dot fill max size. Okay, fill max size. Okay, so as you can see now, this text is taking complete screen width, complete screen. So now you have we can notice one thing here: the padding is coming from the top, and this the background color is setting. So why it is happening? Because in here in modifier, the order is maintained. So first we are giving padding, then we are setting the background color. So let me cut it from here and paste below this background color will be. So now you will see this text will come. Take 20 dp padding. Yes, so it's look better now. Now I was setting this alignment. Text align dot right start right. We can set it right as well. So this text is aligned to right. But I have noticed one thing here. If whenever I make it center, so it is horizontally center aligned, but it is not going in the center. But here I am taking fill max size, the size of this text composable fill max size, still it is not going in the center. So to make it center, we have two options here. Either we can wrap this text composable inside a box or column and we can set alignment, or we have another option here also. We have one property here which is wrap content size. So as you can see, it is center aligned here, and this wrap content size has alignment. Property is alignment dot center. So by default this wrap content size value is alignment dot center. As you can see here, alignment dot center. And we have many properties here. Alignment dot bottom bottom end, also we can make it bottom end here. So as you can see, it's bottom end. We have other properties. Alignment dot bottom center. This is bottom centered. We have other properties. Alignment dot top start. So it is top start. And now there is no use of this text alignment, because this whenever we set wrap content size, it handle the alignment of this text. Okay, if we want to alignment this text horizontally, then we can use text alignment, this one. So for now I can remove this code from here, or we can leave it here with comment. Now we have another important parameter which is a style. So we can set the style of this text style. And inside text style we have most of the parameter which is inside the text composable. As you can see here, we can also set, like we can set a text color, sorry, background color. which is not inside, I think, text, which is not inside text. We don't have we don't have background color here, as you can see, but that is inside a style. So background color equals to color dot white, color dot white. So you will see the background color is set, and you can also set the text color from here. So you can use color equals to color dot gray, yellow, cyan, light gray, magenta. So it is not working because I have to comment this color from here, then the style. It is taking first priority, this text property, then after style property is the secondary. So let me change it to like a green so that it will be visible, much more visible, like, yes. So you can see here. So guys, this is all about the how we can create a text view inside Jetpack Compose. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in